Kweli?
I know when you walked here, you may have seen those that look like they will not be ready. Ken Hakura and Kera has, they have all assured us that by 15th of May, any road that needs to have been completed will be completed. We have Kenya Power and Lighting here. They have assured us every street lighting that required to be in place will be in place, and I think we have no reason to doubt, because this is not the first time we are doing this, and we do not just support the inside of the stadium, we support even the surrounding infrastructure.